आप सभी का कनेक्शन नेटवर्क के कॉर्पोरेट शो हाई फ्लायर्स में स्वागत है। मैं सुनील मुदगल आपके सामने आज एक नई प्रगतिशील कंपनी को लेकर उपस्थित हूँ। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि इस शो के माध्यम से हम उन स्मॉल और मिड साइज कंपनीज़ के बारे में चर्चा करते हैं जिनके मैनेजमेंट की दूरदर्शिता, कुशल नेतृत्व और कठोर परिश्रम की बदौलत वे सफलता प्राप्त करते हुए देश के विकास में अपना योगदान दे रही हैं। आज हम बात करेंगे टेक्निकल स्टाफिंग सर्विस में 3 दशक पुरानी एक ऐसी कंपनी की जो आईटी, ऑयल एंड गैस सहित कई अन्य इंडस्ट्रीज़ को हाईली स्किल्ड मैन पावर यानी इंजीनियर प्रोवाइड कराती हैं। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं आरवी एनकॉन लिमिटेड की। सांघवी परिवार द्वारा प्रमोटेड आरवी एनकॉन ने अपनी शुरुआत मैन पावर आउटसोर्सिंग से एक छोटी कंपनी के रूप में साल 1987 में की थी, लेकिन धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ते हुए आज ये विभिन्न उद्योग क्षेत्रों की कंपनियों को हाईली स्किल्ड मैन पावर सप्लाई करने वाली एक लीडिंग कंपनी बन गई है। आरवी एनकॉन लिमिटेड की विकास यात्रा, मौजूदा स्थिति और भविष्य की योजनाओं के बारे में विस्तार से चर्चा करने के लिए हमने आरवी एनकॉन लिमिटेड के एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर श्री जयदेव सांघवी जी को आमंत्रित किया है। जयदेव जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे शो हाई फ्लायर्स में। सबसे पहले आरवी एनकॉन लिमिटेड की अब तक की विकास यात्रा के बारे में हमारे दर्शकों को कुछ बताइए, उसके बाद हम इंडस्ट्री और कंपनी से जुड़ी कुछ सवाल करेंगे आपसे।
Sure. So RV Encon was started in 1987 by my father. It was predominantly an engineering company. We were doing detail engineering work for oil companies like HP, IOC, Reliance. Mainly, I would say something similar to what an interior designer will design a house. We were designing the factory. 97 was the time when Reliance was setting up their first refinery, and they took manpower from us, and they said that this manpower will be the owner's representative while setting up a refinery, and that's how we entered in this business of technical staffing.
जयदेव जी, कंपनी का बिजनेस मॉडल के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
So, company runs as 2 major verticals. One is manpower supply, whereby we provide engineers on contract basis to various companies who require for their project execution. And the second is where we do an O&M activity of chemical or a tank terminal, is where we have our own people given or working at a project site and serving our customers.
जयदेव जी, आरवी एनकॉन लिमिटेड किन किन कंपनीज को सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करती है और किन किन इंडस्ट्रीज को?
Surely. So, oil and gas is a major industry where RV provides services. Besides oil and gas, we also serve to power, pipeline, refineries. So I would say as a energy as a sector, which I would take it as a thing. We also do a lot of work for city gas distribution. We all renewable energy. For us, for our business, it is very important that we add on new industries as a for manpower supply. And it currently we have about 140 customers whom we deal with. All oil companies, with name it HPCL, BPCL, IOCL or Reliance, are our customers. All large engineering EPC companies like Larsen and Toubro or Engineers India Limited, we serve with them. So, but at the same time, I do not have any customer which contributes to 20% of our resale.
जयदेव भाई, आपने एनर्जी पे बोला, एनर्जी, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी और आज के टाइम में जो ईवी आ रहा है उसके ऊपर आपके क्या व्यूज़ हैं?
Surely. So, personally, I feel first I talk about renewable energy as a great future, both for project as well as for operation and maintenance activity. RV Encon is involved in both this aspect of the business, which is we start with companies on a project basis. A project may last for anything between 3 months to 1.5 year. But O&M, which I see a much larger future because it is going to be there for next 20 years. And EV is definitely in for India. It is more, I would say, where we are associated at the moment is the charging station, whereby battery swaps are there. So we give technician to these charging companies, and then battery swap happens there. So very large business expected in coming years.
जयदेव जी, एंड आरवी एनकॉन की कोर स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
So I would say RV Encon has 4 pillars. One, manpower, our own people. Client referral. So all our clients, we have been working with them for last 10 years. I would say IT, or I would say the technology which we have been utilizing for our business, and the ethical practice of the company. I would say these are our more or the 4 pillars or the strength of the company which helps us in the growth.
जयदेव जी, हमारे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स और KMPs के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Surely. So, main board of, I would say, my father and myself are founding directors. Both of us were technocrats, both of us are chemical engineers, and to us there is a support from a chartered accountant Devendra, solicitor Dr. Sonal Doshi, and we also have a professor Dr. Padma Devarajan who has joined the board. One of our very close and dear friend Sharad Sanghi, who runs a company called NetMagic, he is on our board. So we've very well grounded board of directors in our organization. In regards to my key people, is most of them are with the organization for last 10 years. They understand, they have faith in the company, and we have faith in them.
जयदेव जी, आरवी एनकॉन के ऑन रोल और कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल मैन पावर्स के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
So on roll RV में around 150 आदमी है, and on contract it varies. It moves from 3,500 से 4,000 depending upon the project requirement. But if I say last 5 years, we have moved from 2,500 to current 4,000 people on contractual basis. People is definition is all engineers.
जयदेव भाई, आरवी एनकॉन की जोग्राफिकल प्रेजेंस कहाँ है, मेजर मार्केट कौन कौन से हैं, और कहीं पे हम लीडर भी हैं क्या?
So yes, I would say RV is one of the topmost or a best technical staffing company in India. I would say we would be leading in India. In terms of offices, I have office in Bombay, Chennai, Delhi, Baroda, which takes care of the Indian as a operation. So project-wise, we have all across the country we have projects. To support these projects, we have multiple branch offices, which is at Barmer or Vizag or Jamnagar. Internationally, I have 2 models what we do. I have my own subsidiary RV Encon FZE in Sharjah, which takes care of the UAE and Middle East as a market. At the same time, I have an agents in multiple countries like Saudi, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, whereby we use these agents for deploying the people in those countries.
जयदेव जी, एनी रिमार्केबल प्रोजेक्ट आपको एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं?
So project wise, currently at least 140 projects may be on. We've directly or indirectly we would have been associated with Euro 6 projects all across the country. We're working for large refinery projects for their tank terminal operation maintenance. We actually executed a project in Turkey for deploying expatriates. We also did a project in Saudi Arabia where we had more than 100 commissioning people for Midian project. So it's been an ongoing process, and I would say we would have at least done more than 2,000 projects in last 10 years.
What are advantages?
Our strength or advantage, if I say, is people is definitely our strength. Over the period, we have developed a database of 700,000 resumes. That's our strength. Understanding of client requirement. वो एक word बोल देगा, that is sufficient for us to, give the right people to them. Besides this, we are ISO certified, we are OSHA safety certified, we are CRISIL SME1, which is highest credit worthiness. So our competitions are nowhere close to any of this activity.
जयदेव जी, सबसे पहले तो आप बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस क्या है, पहली चीज़। दूसरा, क्लाइंट की रिक्वायरमेंट आने के बाद कितनी जल्दी हम मैन पावर प्रोवाइड करवा पाते हैं?
So I would divide business into two parts. One is government tenders and non-tenders, which is a private sector businesses. So the government tender, very clear, L1 gets the contract. For private sector is we have a strength in terms of we have good business development team all across the country who regularly approach our various clients, make presentations about company, talk about RV's advantage, and sign up with them. In regards to deployment of manpower, anything between 7 days to, I would say, 21 days is where we mobilize our people.
जयदेव जी, टॉप इंडस्ट्री वाइज क्या आप दर्शकों को रेवेन्यू ब्रेकअप बता सकते हैं?
Sure. So oil and gas constitutes around 35%. Engineering, which is EPC companies, would be around somewhere around between 24%. Refinery and pipeline, edge, both of them would be around 10% each. We also have multiple other industries like renewable, city gas distribution, power. All of them have some major contribution, and in which I feel that it's going to grow up going further.
जयदेव जी, क्या आप हमारे दर्शकों को डोमेस्टिक और एक्सपोर्ट रेवेन्यू ब्रेकअप दे सकते हैं?
So India is a major market for us. 95% of the business, which constitutes around 180-185 crore, is from Indian market. I would not say we have an export revenue because most of our revenue gets clubbed in our subsidiary RV Encon FZE, which constitutes around 25 crores of the sale. That company takes care of deputation in Sharjah, Saudi, where we did a project in Kazakhstan and Turkey. So all that revenue is clubbed in my RV Encon Free Zone office.
जयदेव जी, फ्रॉम FY17 से FY20 में हम अराउंड 42% ग्रोथ कर पाए। इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो आपको क्या लगता है, हम उससे फास्ट कर पाएंगे या इतनी ही रहने वाली है?
So personally, the target for next 3 to 5 years is we want to double our sales. Idea is India is a growth for us. We want to increase the number of deputation in India. We're tapping international market. We've been successfully set up an office in Sharjah, which takes care of UAE as a market. We want to add on in other countries like Qatar and Oman. In this financial year, we may not get any benefit, but because of it is a COVID time, but at the same time, we will understand the market, understand the scene, and we'll get the benefits in the coming year. And besides organic growth, we are also looking at inorganic growth also. If any target which fits our budget, we'll be definitely looking at it.
जयदेव जी, RV Encon का बिलिंग प्रोसेस के बारे में बताइए और साथ में हमारी वर्किंग कैपिटल के बारे में।
Oh yeah. So billing process is always on a monthly basis. Just to give an example, I'll make it simple. Is person works in the month of January. In first week of February, we generally do the salary and parallelly raise the invoice on our customers, and we get paid anything between 15 to 45 days. So March is the time when we get paid. So I would say that we have to invest into salary before we are getting paid from our customers. So on an average, if I say working capital requirement is like 45 days is what our needs are.
जयदेव जी, कोविड-19 का आरवी एनकॉन पे क्या इफेक्ट रहा, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव?
So RV Encon gives services to companies who are into essential services like LPG, refineries, city power. So during COVID-19 lockdown also, all our people were working. So there has been no major impact on the sales of RV Encon. But at the same time, no major deputation has also happened in the month of May, June. So there has been, I would say, a steady in terms of the revenue. Work-wise, we were expecting sort of a lockdown, so we were getting ready during month of March. We issued laptops, data card to all our employees so that work was smooth during the lockdown period. And we had also transferred all our data on cloud so that work was definitely a smooth, otherwise it would have been a nightmare for us.
जयदेव जी, आपने बताया कि आप इंडिया में काफ़ी फोकस कर रहे हैं, मोदी जी भी काफ़ी काम कर रहे हैं कंट्री पे। आपको क्या लगता है कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री की ग्रोथ कितनी आएगी अगले 3-4 साल में, और कौन कौन से सेक्टर में ये ग्रोथ ज़्यादा आएगी?
वेल पॉइंट बताना रह गया था. In terms of in current COVID scenario, when people talk that chemical electronics companies are coming out of China, and there is a very high potential that India may get a large business from this company. So we as a RV Encon are keeping eyes ears open कि कौन सी company India में आ रही है, and we want to definitely be part of that projects. We are also keeping eyes ears open in respect to companies which are coming from Japan and they are planning to set up manufacturing or bullet train in India. So if we get those projects, sky is the limit for us. To add to this manufacturing companies, I would say that RV will also focus on O&M activity post the projects are completed. The business looks very large. I'm sure a lot of potentials are available for growth of the company, and our vision to achieve twice the sale in next 3 to 5 years, we should be able to achieve that.
जयदेव जी, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जो आपने अपना अमूल्य समय हमें दिया और RV Encon लिमिटेड और मैनपावर इंडस्ट्रीज़ के बारे में हमारे दर्शकों को जानकारी दी.
I would say thank you very much.
हमें उम्मीद है कि सभी दर्शकों को हमारा एपिसोड पसंद आएगा. अगले एपिसोड में हम आपसे एक नई प्रगतिशील कंपनी के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे. जय हिंद.